If you want to add perks to a product on Whop, the process is actually pretty straightforward once you understand the structure behind it. The main idea is that you're building a product around the value you want to sell, and then attaching the right apps and access layers so buyers automatically get the perks they paid for. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full setup step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to create tiers, add perks, connect apps, and package everything into a clean, buyable product on Whop. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your merchant account at whop.com. Once you're inside, go to your home feed and then click Dashboard on the left-hand menu. This takes you into your main business area where all of your products, apps, and categories will live. Before you start building, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace. You'll usually see a selection modal near the top left, so double-check that your business is selected properly. If you manage more than one brand or store, this part is important because you want to make sure you're editing the right one. Now click your business name to open the admin preview layout. This gives you access to the structure you'll use to build your tiers. From there, click the business name again at the top and choose Create Category from the drop-down menu. This is where you begin organizing your subscription levels. Create a unique category for each tier you plan to offer, such as Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Think of these categories as the foundation of your back-end system. They help separate each level of access so your product structure stays organized and scalable. After your categories are set, the next step is to build the perk infrastructure. On your admin panel, click Add App. This opens the Whop App Store, where you can choose the tools that will power your perks. Depending on what kind of business you're building, you can add chat or forums for community access, courses or files for premium content, or Discord and Telegram for outside platform role automation. If you want members to talk inside Whop, the native chat and forum apps are a great choice. If you want to deliver content like videos, guides, templates, or downloads, courses and files are the better option. And if your business uses Discord or Telegram, those integrations can automatically give users premium access in the external community once they buy. Choose the apps that match the value of each tier, then add them to your workspace. Once your perks are in place, it's time to turn them into a marketable product. Click the Products tab on the left side of your dashboard, then hit Create Product. This is where you build the offer that customers will actually see and buy. Start by entering a strong, benefit-driven name and headline. Instead of making it generic, make it sound valuable and specific, like a VIP Inner Circle Mastermind or Premium Access membership. Then write a description that explains what the buyer gets, why the product is worth it, and what kind of results or access they can expect. Upload a clean cover photo too, because presentation matters a lot when someone is deciding whether to buy. Next, you'll configure your pricing architecture. Choose whether your access will be free or paid. If you're creating a paid offer, decide whether it should be a one-time fee or a recurring subscription. This is where you define your business model, so think carefully about how you want to earn from the product. Enter your target price, choose your active processing currency, and then click Next in the top right corner to move forward. Now comes the most important part, linking your perks to the tier. Inside the product configuration panel, look for the Included Apps section. This is where you select the exact app instances that belong to that product. Turn on or choose the apps you created earlier, such as a private forum, a specific course, a file library, or a chat module. This creates an automatic access wall, meaning only customers who purchase that product will be able to see and use those perks. That's what makes the whole system powerful, because your delivery becomes automated and organized. After that, click Next again to move into the product page setup. Here, you can add your final marketing layers, upload extra product videos or photos if you have them, and complete the FAQ section so customers can get answers before they buy. This helps reduce confusion, builds trust, and can improve conversions because people feel more confident when the offer is clearly explained. Now, one of the best things about Whop is that you can mix and match these perk structures depending on your business model. For example, if you want to sell exclusive content, you can use courses or content apps to lock premium tutorials and private guides. If you want to build a community, use chat or forums, or connect Discord and Telegram for automatic role access. If you're selling specialized assets, install the Files app to deliver templates, software keys, indicators, or downloadable resources. And if you're running live events or private coaching, the Events app can be used to give digital tickets and gated entry. The key is to make the perks feel intentional. Don't just add apps randomly. Build a product tier that matches the value you're promising. Silver might include a basic chat and a few downloads. Gold might add a course library and premium community access. Platinum might include everything, plus events, direct support, and exclusive files. That tiered structure makes it easier for buyers to understand what they're getting. and it gives you a cleaner path to upsell. So, to recap, the process is simple. Create your categories, add the right apps, build your product, set your pricing, link the included perks, and finish with your page design and FAQ. Once you've done that, you'll have a professional Whop product with automated access built in. If this walkthrough helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Whop tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.